There are a bunch of hair myths out there on the internet that you've all heard about, you've read them, but never ever believe this one hair myth that you are probably doing. Does getting a haircut make your hair grow faster? I'm going to break the news to you folks. No, it does not make your hair grow faster. And I'm going to try to simplify this because I know a lot of you are wondering about it. You've asked other people, you've thought about it. Think about this. Let's try to make this as pretty much common sense as we possibly can. Where does hair grow from? Does hair grow from the bottom of your hair, which is where you get your hair cut and trimmed? Or does it grow from this, the scalp? It grows from the scalp. So think about that. Unless you're cutting your hair off right from the scalp, you're not. You're cutting it at the ends. Now, this is what happens over time. If you don't get your hair trimmed, you don't get your hair cut to make it look healthy, to get rid of the dead ends and all that stuff, there's a chance that your hair is going to start to look like maybe it's not growing as fast or looks a lot thinner. But by getting a haircut, it actually makes it look healthier on the ends. It does not make it look healthier on the scalp because that's where it's growing from. So if you're getting a haircut and you're in this, you keep getting your haircuts over and over and over again, well, chances are if you're trying to grow your hair out, for example, and you're getting your hair cut too often and you're not seeing that your hair is growing faster, you're probably gonna be like, oh, wait a minute, like I'm getting all these haircuts, why isn't it growing? It's because you're getting your haircut so often, all right? So it's not gonna make your haircut grow faster, it's gonna actually prevent it from growing faster because you're getting it cut so often. However, it's gonna make it look healthier, okay? So remember, it's growing from the scalp, so it's not gonna be looking, like it's any healthier on the scalp area. Maybe if you shave your head off, you have damaged hair, you have a really bad uneven haircut. I know a lot of times people just shave their head and start from scratch. If there are issues where your hair is completely fried and damaged, then that's a whole other story and situation. But if you think and believe the hair myth that getting haircuts will make your hair grow faster, that's simply just a myth and it's not true, okay? And as someone who's been doing hair for over 20-something years, I can vouch for it, all right? So let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear a bunch of your opinions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.